In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change form title in Jotform. If you've ever duplicated a form, rebranded a project, or simply want your form name to be clearer, updating the title is quick and makes a big difference in how you organize your workspace and how your form appears to collaborators. Start by opening jotform.com and heading to your My Forms page. This is your main dashboard where all your forms live. From here, locate the form you want to rename and click it to open it in the Form Builder. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the editing canvas with your form fields in the center and the toolbar options around the edges. At the very top of the builder, look for the current form title. It's the large text label that appears above your form. Hover your mouse over that title. When you hover, you should notice it highlight, indicating that it's editable. Now click directly on the title text. The label will switch into an editable field so you can type. Go ahead and enter your new form name. Aim for something descriptive and straightforward so you can instantly recognize it later. For example, you might include the purpose of the form, the audience, or a date or version tag if you manage multiple iterations. Keeping a consistent naming convention helps you stay organized, especially when your list of forms grows. Once you've typed the new name, press Enter to save. Jotform will confirm the change with a quick save indicator, and you'll see the updated title appear right away at the top of the form. If you return to your My Forms page, you'll also see the new name reflected there, making it easier to find and manage your work. This change affects how the form is labeled inside your account and what collaborators see in shared workspaces. Your shared links and existing responses are not impacted by this title update. If the new title doesn't appear immediately, give the page a moment to sync. A quick refresh will display the change in your dashboard. Also, try to avoid overly long titles. Short, specific names are easier to scan and help keep your workspace clean. That's all it takes. Open Jotform and go to My Forms, click your form to open it in the Form Builder, hover over the title, click and edit it, and press Enter to save. With just a few keystrokes, your form is labeled clearly and ready to share or continue building.